There are so many things about today's announcement that bring me joy and that remind me how fortunate we are to be Tennesseans. At the end of the day, our job in my office is to work to create an environment where the people in this state have greater access to opportunity. And that happens when a company decides to invest heavily in a community like this one.
This is a real milestone event. This is a part of something much bigger than just building a building. One of the production facilities for Barrett is only a mile down the road. Was one of the original facilities. Where we are is only another mile or so down the road that way. So Barrett has definitely been a local story the whole time.
What struck me with it is it's a family business, and they're part of, you know, the Barrett family with Ronnie and Donna and Chris. You know, it's family businesses, and that's what's so special about our state. We have a lot of diversity across the state with businesses, and that's just so special. I hope everybody recognizes that that's very unique.
I think it's important to realize it all starts with an idea. Ronnie had an idea, and what an inspiring story it is. And then you see what happens when you have a community, when you have a state, when you have a country that says, we want to find a way to make those dreams come true.
Ronnie, Donna, Christopher, we're grateful that you started this family here, this business here with your family. This vision became a reality.
You couldn't have picked a better state or a better county or a better congressional district, in my opinion, to build this new expansion.
Thank y'all for investing in Rutherford County and in Murfreesboro. Part of Murfreesboro and Rutherford County is that we share in success together, we share in partnership together, and when times are tough, we also share in that as well to be able to be here.
It took Ronnie Barrett's vision. It took the Barrett employees, took Rob Naya's vision to come here and say, hey, you know what? Tennessee is the place to be. And finally took the most important part, which is the community. All of these folks working together prove that Tennessee is a great place to be.